day is coming when God will judge all the people who have ever lived. It is called Judgment Day, and it is when God decides who will go to heaven and who will be cast into hell. On Judgment Day, it is believed that Jesus will come back to earth. This won't be a quiet return. It will be powerful and glorious. The Bible says there will be loud trumpets, and the whole world will know that Jesus has come back. Jesus will look like the great King from heaven. The sky will change, and everyone, no matter where they are, will see him. People who have died will be brought back to life. They, along with everyone who is still alive, will gather before God. This is when the judgment will start. Jesus will be like a king sitting on a great, majestic throne, and everyone will stand before him. On this day, everything we have ever done, said, or even thought will be known. Nothing will be hidden. The Bible says that books will be opened, including the Book of Life, which has the names of everyone who has chosen to follow Jesus and live in a way that pleases God. People will be judged based on their actions and whether they chose to accept God's love and forgiveness. Those who have followed Jesus and have asked for forgiveness for the wrong things they've done will be invited to live with God forever in a new, perfect world called heaven. Heaven is described as a beautiful place where there is no sadness, pain, or suffering. But for those who have chosen not to follow God and have turned away from His love, the Bible says they will be separated from God and won't be able to live in heaven. This part of Judgment Day is sad, and it's a reminder of how important it is to think about the choices we make. Judgment Day is about justice and fairness. It's a day when God will make everything right. All the wrong things in the world, like lying, hurting others, or being selfish, will be dealt with. It's also a day of hope for many people because it means that God's goodness and love will finally make everything in the world good and right. The story of Judgment Day teaches us that our actions and choices matter. It's a reminder to live in a way that is kind and good, to ask for forgiveness when we do wrong, and to care about others. It's also a story about God's promise to make a new world where everything is just, peaceful, and filled with love.